Okay, Toyota Corolla rear wheel bearing replacement. This is a 2017 model. Pretty straightforward, wheel off, drum off, and then you've got four 14mm bolts that you just stick an extension through these holes to undo. What's a little trickier about them is this plug for the ABS, which is on the back, so you need to undo that first. They've got this plastic housing around them, so you actually need to unclip that. It's got little clips on it, one up the top, one there, and one down the bottom. And unclipping those will allow you to get at the release tab to release that plug to get it off there. Okay, and then going back together is just the opposite. We're going to take this one out now, put the new one in, bolt it all back up, plug it back in, cover back on, and then drum and wheel. Okay, so here's our new one. Obviously you want to match it up, make sure it's all the same. If this sticks a bit in there, just get your hammer, just hit the side of the flange, each side, and just move one side to the other, one side to the other, and eventually it'll work its way out. You want to hit it out as much as you can. Now we've just put a bit of copper coat around here to stop it seizing in next time, and a little bit of Loctite on our bolts going back in. So yeah, just take note too that the bolts at the top are wider apart than the ones at the bottom. Okay, so got our 4 bolts all in and done up tight. Just while you're doing this too, make sure you don't touch the brake shoes, and then you don't have to worry about getting them dirty and cleaning them. So this plug, we can reassemble the covers with it off, and then it'll just slide back in and clip on. Okay, so now it's just drum on and wheel on. Okay, so that's all back together now. That is rear wheel bearing replacement on a Toyota Corolla 2017.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.